one service, one offer. You land a client, set up an AI agent, and they keep paying you every single month to keep it running. Everyone's talking about this, but almost nobody is showing you the exact model to use as a salary replacement system. So let me break it down. Now here's the situation. A lot of local businesses, like for instance roofers, electricians, plumbers, they all have the same problem. Calls come in, nobody picks up, the customer moves on, and that lead is gone. So what you're going to do is to give them an AI agent that answers every call 24/7.
Hello, you have reached JD Plumbing. Aaron speaking. How can I help you today?
And the best part, you set it up once and they keep paying you every single month to keep it running. And that's it. That's the entire business model. One service, one offer, recurring income. Okay, so now let's put a number on it. So let's see how much you can actually earn with this system and how quickly you can get there as well. Imagine hiring someone to answer calls, book appointments, and chase leads. Well, that would cost you a few thousands a month minimum. Now compare that to even $500 a month for an AI agent that works 24 hours a day, never calls in sick, and get this, can also answer multiple calls at once. For a business owner, that's not even a decision. On board only just 5 clients this month. That's $2,500 each month already. Now next month you onboard another 5 clients and now you're at $5,000 every single month. And here's the kicker, you haven't added a single hour to your week. Okay, so now let me show you exactly how this works, and everything runs on a platform called GoHighLevel. So simply click on the link in the description below, which will bring you to this page, which gives you access to an extended trial period of 30 days instead of the usual 14 days if you go directly to their website. So take full advantage of it, and then from here start your extended free trial so you can follow along with me. And then you white label it so that way nobody will ever know that you are using GoHighLevel. So that means uploading your logo, your colors, and your complete branding, which means that when your client logs into their account, like for instance JD Plumbing here, all they'll see is your logo and your colors. And you can also on top of that add an extra layer and have your own custom URL, like for instance here app.mrweb.tv. Okay, so now for the exciting bit, let me show you how you can set up the AI agent. It's super easy, might take you maybe just a few minutes, and after that you get paid every single month. So from your agency account, simply log into your client's account, which you have to create beforehand obviously. So let's take maybe JD Plumbing here as an example. And from here simply go to AI agents and then create your first voice AI agent. And now you can choose among 2 different options. You can browse their marketplace and choose from their curated collection of pre-built AI agents. So this is going to save you a lot of time. There's a lot of different industries and fields being covered there, which is super handy. Now obviously if you don't have the agency plan, as you can see, you might want to select this one, which is what we're going to do today, just in case you don't have the agency plan. Okay, so let's do that together. And now we can enter our agent details. So first you're going to enter the business name. So in our case is JD Plumbing. You're going to select your language. So this could be English, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese. So you can see it's a large variety of choice. And then the most important part, now as you can see, is to select our voice. And as you can see by default we have Jessica, which is an English American female. Now if you want to change this, simply click on it, and right here as you can see you can choose among all these different options here. 16 pages just for English alone, but don't worry, you can narrow this down by accents and genders. So let's select maybe a female, and for the accent, as you can see, I have quite a good selection here. So for our demo here, let's go with the American accent, and now we can choose among 32 different voices. Now if you want to listen to them, simply click on the play button here.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new trends.
Okay, so this might sound silly, but
Hey, my name is Aaron, and this is my natural speaking voice, which is great for conversation.
I'm your fun, hip narrator with a thoroughly modern feel.
As you can clearly see, they all sound very natural. So I'm just going to go with Aaron here as an example. So simply click on it. and then save your voice. And now we can give our agent a name. So we selected Erin, so let's go ahead with this as well. And then after this, select your time zone, the language learning model, and then enter your agent's initial message. So by default, this is what we have. So I'm going to change that quickly here. So for instance, hello, you have reached JD Plumbing, Erin speaking, how can I help you today? And then simply click next. And now check this out. To make sure that the AI agent gives the right answer and handles the situation properly, you can feed it knowledge. And this is where it all happens in this next step. As you can see, you can select your knowledge base. So by default, initially you will not have one, so you have to create a new one. And this will bring you to this screen. So here you can create your knowledge base, give it a name and a description. Or like for instance, JD Plumbing, knowledge base 1, and then details given by the client on the 12th of the 3rd 2026, and then simply create. And now you can fill that knowledge base with different sources, and as you can see, you have a choice among a few ones here. You can crawl a website, you can upload an FAQ, upload some text, import a table, or simply upload a file which will be converted into text and import it right into your knowledge base. And once you've added all the information, you can go back here and select it, obviously, so let's select this one together. By default, we'll have our prompt here, but feel free to customize this if you want even more accuracy. Also, your AI agent can collect some details. So do you want to fetch the name, the email address perhaps as well, the address, or if there's an issue, do you want to fetch the details as well? Right here underneath, we have the trigger a workflow when the call is completed, and this works in conjunction with all the different features on this platform. But since we're only using the AI agent, we'll leave it as is for now. And once your AI agent has fetched all the details and information, where do you want to send that email? To all the admins, maybe to all the users, maybe a specific assigned user, or a custom email altogether. So I'm just going to send this to all admins for now, and let's click next. Very good. And as you can see, in our next step, we need to buy a phone number. Now you can use your own number, but you're going to use this one to mask it. So that's basically how it works. So you can link it to your platform here and your AI agent. So from here, simply click buy a new number, add number, and this is going to be a phone number. And now you can search by countries and also filter down by specific criteria. And then simply select the number you'd like to purchase and then proceed to buy. And now for the exciting part, let's ring our AI agent and let's see if it works properly.
Hello, you have reached JD Plumbing, Erin speaking. How can I help you today?
Oh, hello, Erin. I have an issue with my central heat. We have heat downstairs, but not upstairs. So I'm just wondering if you could call out and fix that for us, please.
Got it. That sounds frustrating. Let's get this sorted for you. First, can I take your name to get started?
Yeah, sure. I'm John Smith.
Thanks, John. Confirm that's John Smith, right?
That's correct.
Perfect, thanks. Could I also get your email address so we can keep in touch about this?
Yeah, sure. It's john.smith@gmail.com.
Got it. So that's john.smith@gmail.com, correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
Great, thanks for confirming. Now, just to make sure I have everything, you're experiencing an issue where the heating works downstairs but not upstairs, and you'd like us to come out and fix it, right?
That's correct, yeah.
All right, John. I'll pass this along to our team, and they'll get back to you promptly to arrange a visit and resolve the issue. Thanks for reaching out, and we'll make sure this gets sorted for you. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're very welcome, John. Take care and have a great evening. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. And now that transcript and conversation will be sent out to the owner of the business and they can act upon it. And once you have the AI agent up and running, why not provide additional services already available within GoHighLevel? Like for instance, you could build a website for them, sales landing page, create funnels, CRM system, and all of this could be additional revenue that you can earn every single month.